How to remove inactive followers on Instagram? Follow this guide. To start, simply open up the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile, simply open your follower list. Now right above your list of followers, you will notice a section labeled categories. This is where Instagram helps you identify certain type of followers. Look for the option labeled deactivated accounts and click on it. From here, you will see a list of accounts that are no longer active. At this point, all you need to do is hit remove and confirm your action when prompted. Now simply repeat this step for all the inactive followers. This won't notify them and they will simply disappear from your followers count. And there you go. This is how to remove inactive followers on Instagram.